In this video, you'll learn how to search hotels by popularity on Agoda. This is especially useful if you're visiting a new destination and want to quickly see which places other travelers are booking and reviewing the most. Instead of scrolling through pages of random listings, you can bring the most popular options right to the top of your search. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser or the Agoda app on your device. Once you're on the Agoda homepage or main screen, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your destination, the dates you plan to stay, and the number of guests or rooms you need. Type in your city or area, choose your check-in and check-out dates, adjust the number of guests, and then start the search. After a moment, Agoda will load a list of available hotels and properties that match your search. This list is often quite long, especially in popular destinations, so this is where sorting becomes really important. Instead of going through every single listing, you can change how these results are arranged to suit what you care about most. To do that, take a look near the top of the results page. You'll see several filters and options that let you narrow things down, such as price range, star rating, property type, and more. Among these controls, look for the sort by option. This is usually placed above the list of hotels, often as a small drop-down menu or button that might currently say something like recommended by price or another default setting. Click or tap on the sort by option to open the list of sorting choices. Here, Agoda typically gives you several ways to organize your results, like sorting by price from low to high, by star rating, by distance, or by deals. For this tutorial, you want to sort specifically by popularity. From the list of options, select popularity. Once you select popularity, you don't need to do anything else to confirm. The results will update automatically. You'll see the hotel list briefly reload or refresh, and then the properties will be rearranged so that the most popular options appear at the top. This popularity is usually based on a combination of factors like booking frequency, traveler reviews, and overall ratings, making it a helpful shortcut when you're not sure where to start. Take a moment to scroll through the updated list. You'll often notice that the top results have a large number of reviews and high ratings. This can give you more confidence that many other guests have stayed there and had a generally positive experience. You can then click into any hotel to see more details, look at photos, read reviews, and check the exact location. If at any point you decide you want to focus on something else, like the cheapest options or the closest hotels to a landmark, you can simply go back to the same sort by menu and choose a different sorting method. But when your main goal is to quickly identify the properties that are most popular with other travelers, sorting by popularity is one of the fastest and most effective ways to do it. That's all there is to it. By starting a search, finding the sort by option, selecting popularity, and letting the results update automatically, you can easily see the most popular hotels on Agoda for your trip.